How to create Uber driver account in Canada. Open the Uber website on your browser or Chrome on your phone. In here, just sign up using your Google account or continue with Apple for iOS users. I just blurred it for privacy purposes. But after you signed in, just tap the check on Agree and click Next. In here, if you see the Where would you like to earn, just click it and change it into Canada. In here, all you need to do is fill up the information that is needed, like make, model, year, and the license plate. After that, just click Continue and you're good to go. But that's it for this video. Hope you learned something new with me today. Thank you.